Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the 5 most useful add-ons for your Google Forms. So this is a Google Form tips and tricks. So if you want to make your Google Forms more advanced, you can use this add-on. So the first one is the form limiter. And if you want to get the add-ons, you can just click on the 3 dots icon on the Google Forms. And here there will be the options to get add-ons. Just click on that. So the Google Workspace Marketplace will be open. Now you can just type in the or click on the search bar and type in form limiter. Click on enter. Okay, so you can see in here there are lots of options that you can select it. Okay, this is the one that I mean. So if you want to or the form limiter can be used if you want to close or shut off your Google Forms after a max number of responses, or at a certain date and time, or when a spreadsheet cells equals a value. So if you want to add it to your Google Forms, you can just click on install, and after that click on continue. So you need to you need to sign in into your Google Form and load the app. Just wait until the add-ons is fully installed on your Google Forms. Now you can just click on done and close this. You can see this is the form limiter. If you want to use it, you can just click on this puzzle icon, click on a form limiter, click on set limit. So this is the form limiter. You can just choose the limit type. For example, I'm going to go with date and time. So my Google Form will shut off at a certain date that I selected, for example, at the end of the month. You can also choose the time. For example, I'm going to go with 12 a.m. Click on set, and after that you can just click on save and enable. Then the second add-ons that I want to show you is the booking calendar. And again, you can just click on 3 dots icon, get add-ons, and then find the apps booking calendar, this one. So you can just click on the app. So this will help you to so that the clients can book your Google Calendar events via Google Form. So you can just click on install, continue, and just wait. So now it has been installed. You can close this again. To find it, just click on the add-ons again and choose booking calendar. Now tap on configure booking calendar. And this is the booking calendar add-ons. So you need to connect it with your Google Calendar so that the clients of this Google Forms can access your calendar to attend an event, for example. And the third one is the form notification. So you can get it again in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Let's find the form notifications, this one. And this add-ons will create and configure email notifications for response threshold and form responders. So if you want to, for example, let yourself know every time there are certain amount of responses come to your Google Form, you can use this form notifications. You can just install it on your Google Forms, and in here to use it, again click on add-ons, form notification, click on open. So here there are two options. You can notify on form responses, or you can send a thank you email. So I'm going to click on this. You need to enter the recipient emails in here and send notification after how much responses. You can set the amount in here. Then after that, click on save configurations. And the fourth one is the Certify. So the Certify add-ons will allow you to send a certificate to the respondents directly after they fill in the response. For example, let's try Certify, this one, Certify. So you can certificates online for free with Certify. Set up your exam, assessment, or participation form and start to issue certificates in minutes. So it might be right if you use this when you start a quiz, or maybe you start an assessment for your students and others. I can just click on install. And the last add-ons is the timer for Google Forms. So let's find it, timer in here. Okay, so actually there are lots of timer add-ons that you can select it. For example, I'm going to just use this one. So you can create online tasks with Google Forms. So if you, for example, a teacher and want to create a quiz for your students, you can set a time limit on your quiz using this timer. You can just click on install when you create the quiz. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.